What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to be testing out different types of waters. So this is a little device that basically tells you how many parts per million the water is.
Stay tuned for the whole video.
What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to be testing out different types of waters. Tap water, gin, pickled water, pineapple nectar by Del Monte, this is a juice, and a diet low-calorie raspberry. So these are two store drinks. This comes from your tap, and this is alcohol. All right, so this is a little device that basically tells you how many parts per million the water is. There's different modes. There is Celsius and Fahrenheit, but we're looking for the ppm basically. Clear just clears it if we put in one. Probe is right here at the bottom. There's a cover. It takes batteries on the back. You're gonna see a scale. How pure is your water? So you're looking at 0 to 50 is your ideal. So ideal drinking water. Comparatively ideal drinking 50 to 100, still got a high hardness level. And then 200 to 300 marginally acceptable. So we're looking obviously from 100 to 150 is kind of the expectancy of most tap waters. And a filter also should bring you down to about 50 to 75, but most filters actually don't, including Brita. And I'm gonna show you the proof. All right, so first we're gonna go with regular tap water. So we are looking at, we're at 147. We're just gonna go and clear this. I'm gonna try one more time. 150. All right, good. Next, our Aviation American Joe. All right, now that is pure 18. Again, we're gonna reset this. We're gonna get to the pickle juice at the end. Now we're gonna go and do our pineapple Del Monte. So again, we're at 0. Now that is definitely off the charts. And that basically means that there's a lot of sugar and a lot of fructose in here. Doesn't necessarily mean that there's a lot of water. All right, so let's go back now. And we're gonna put this into our low calorie ocean spray. So the main ingredient on this is filtered water, as you can see. So let's see how filtered that is. 535, well, I guess this doesn't do very well on anything to do with fructose. We're back at 0, now let's test pickle juice. Whoa, off the charts. Obviously, definitely not drinkable water. We're gonna put this inside regular tap water. This, you're reading, so red is not amazing, so that's 185. All right, we're gonna dry this off. All right, now we're gonna go and pour this in. This is now with Brita. I asked my parents, they say they swapped this in 3 weeks ago, the filter. The filter is down there, the charcoal filter. So this should be better. Or the lower number, the better. Okay, we're looking at even worse. 197. Okay, and then we're gonna try this again. And we're what? 196. 0. Let's put this in here. It should be at around 180. Yeah, 184. 194. So you can see that this is actually in real time showing you. So this would mean that this particular charcoal filter is making the water way harder. If you look at the chart that they gave us with, 0 to 50 is the ideal drinking water. 50 to 100 is comparatively ideal. So there you have it. Out of all these things, alcohol seems to be the purest. So anyways, nice little device to have when you're traveling, you're on vacation, to make sure you don't accidentally ingest any parasites. So that's the video. Thanks for watching.